Welcome again, Choro-Q fans. So I did, this Hummer review a little whiles back, and I looked up a couple other trucks that the Choro-Q brand has put out, and here we are. It's the Toyota Mega Cruiser. It's a two-pack. I didn't actually want two, but it was the cheapest thing I could find on eBay. So we're gonna look at two of them, I guess. The Mega Cruiser was initially developed as a military vehicle for the Japanese Self-Ground Defense Forces, the JGSDF, and it was also sold privately, and also a lot of fire departments, police departments, civil service, they would use it as well because it was designed for off-road use, of course. And around 3,000 of them were made in the real world. It's a full-size SUV, similar to like a Hummer H1, but probably more reliable being a Toyota. Let's see, it's supposed to be powered by a 4.1 liter inline 4 turbo diesel. So that's interesting. A 4 liter 4 cylinder. So each cylinder is a 1 liter. That's pretty crazy, right? Let's see, it's supposed to weigh like 2,800 kilograms or 6,300 pounds. And overall length is 5 meters or 200 inches. So that's pretty crazy. Here's the official Toyota website. That's where I'm getting a lot of this information. It's a diesel as well. But yeah, the 4-cylinder really threw me off, being 4,100 cubic centimeters. Anyways, here's a white one, so let's take a look at these photos here. So Choro-Qs are very foreshortened, maybe 2 times in this case. Alright. Oh, yeah, they got the angles of the windows and stuff okay. Let's see about this back view here. Yeah, I mean, there's no ladder, but at least they got the spare wheel on there. Alright, let's take a closer look at this thing. So there's your typical 5-spokes from Choro-Qs. They're okay. They're kind of weak, actually. I don't know why they wouldn't mold in some lug nuts there. The door panels are okay. I don't know what's happening with the paint there. Or maybe the casting wasn't very good. Some sort of depression there. I think those are vents on the real truck. The front end, we have some silver paint for the lights. Seems okay. Yeah, that could be orange. The Toyota badge looks really nice. And then some silver paint here. Maybe some fog lights. Some detail there. The 3 wiper blades. That's pretty funny. And it's interesting that they're actually staggered. I don't know if that's accurate to the real truck. I can't really see in any of those photographs, so I don't know. But you got the rib detail here on the roof. And then this is interesting. I kind of see it on the blue photograph. There's some sort of bump there. That's strange. Why would it be just in the middle? Alright. This side, I guess there's a fuel filler door on this side. And then the back. Oh, well, this is nice. 3 colors here. Spare wheel. I can't read that. No idea. There's a slot here for a coin if you want to do wheelies. All these Choro-Qs are pullback toys. So they take off here. So this thing is from 2003 or 2004. Pretty old, but looks pretty good. This white residue on the tire, I've come to learn, just comes off. You just wipe it off and the tire looks new again. So that's alright. Screwed together, and a tab, and those windows actually are transparent. You can see the pick moving around, but they're pretty dark. It's a pretty dark smoke job there. They're trying to hide the motor. It makes sense why they do that. Let's take a look at the blue one. What kind of differences? No differences, obviously. I think the blue is nicer because there's more contrast, with the silver paint, whereas silver on white, although you can still see it, I think the blue one's definitely the winner. So, okay. Well, interesting, It's, the Toyota Mega Cruiser. You don't think of it too often unless you, follow the military. I'm not sure. Let me know if you guys have ever heard of the Mega Cruiser before, or if this is new to you. It definitely looks like a Japanese Hummer. Okay. So for comparison, Choro-Qs are not to scale. So they're just trying to fit a certain size, kind of like what Hot Wheels does. So in reality, this H2 and this Mega Cruiser, they might be different in size. The H2 actually has a lot more details, it seems. You know, it's got the running lights on the top, third brake light as well. And it has unique wheels. They're not the typical 5-spokes. But I do like the wiper blade printing. You don't see any sort of printing on the wipers of the H2. Alright. Okay, well, I feel like if this Mim Bam Stormtrooper by Bandai was going to go off-roading, he's going to do it in one of these. So here's an update. I decided to just 3D print my own realistic wheels. You know, if you look at the photographs behind, the Mega Cruiser just has stamped steel wheels with lightning holes in them. So that's what I have there. Although I didn't paint the center section black because I figured I'd lose the detail. And then the Hummer just has those weird, this offset, like, I don't know what you'd call that area. I don't know what that would be, but it's like a weird Tron style kind of wheel, if that's what it reminds me of. Alright, well anyways, so I think my Choro-Q trucks are looking a little bit more like the photographs, so I'm pretty happy with them. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next review.